Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today, I've got something truly exciting for you, the Nokia X20 5G 2026 edition. This phone is not just another mid-range device, it's a perfect blend of elegance, performance, and durability that shows Nokia's solid comeback in the 5G world. If you're a fan of classic Nokia quality but want modern power and sleek design, this one's going to impress you. The first thing that captures your attention is the stunning build. Nokia X20 5G 2026 brings that signature premium Scandinavian design, clean, solid, and built to last. The back panel has a soft matte finish that feels smooth in the hand and prevents fingerprints. The circular camera module looks stylish and gives the phone a distinctive, premium touch. The frame is made from eco-friendly materials, reflecting Nokia's move towards sustainability, which is quite impressive in today's smartphone market. Now, let's talk about the display. The Nokia X20 features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus PureDisplay with a 120Hz refresh rate. The visuals are sharp, colors pop beautifully, and the screen-to-body ratio makes it perfect for watching videos, gaming, or browsing. The brightness levels are strong enough for outdoor visibility, and the smooth scrolling experience adds a professional, flagship-level feel. Under the hood, the phone runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor paired with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage. Nokia has done a fantastic job optimizing performance. Multitasking feels effortless, and even heavy gaming like PUBG or COD Mobile runs smoothly. The 5G connectivity is ultra-fast, giving you lag-free streaming, blazing downloads, and a stable connection for online work or gaming. When it comes to software, the Nokia X20 5G 2026 runs on Android 15 with the promise of 4 years of updates and 3 years of security patches, something rare even in premium phones. The interface is clean and bloatware-free, delivering that pure Android experience that's fast, simple, and efficient. Now, let's get into one of the most loved features, the camera setup. The Nokia X20 comes with a powerful 108MP main camera, supported by a 12MP ultra-wide, 5MP macro, and 2MP depth sensor. The photos are crisp, well-detailed, and color-balanced even in low-light conditions. The ZEISS optics partnership makes a visible difference. Portraits have that natural blur, and the AI scene detection helps in optimizing every shot. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera that captures stunning selfies with sharp facial details and perfect skin tones. The dual sight mode allows you to use both front and back cameras simultaneously, perfect for vloggers and content creators. Battery life is another highlight. The 5200 mAh battery easily lasts up to 2 full days on moderate usage. It supports 33W fast charging, so you can power up quickly and get back to action. Nokia's intelligent power management ensures minimal battery wear, helping the phone maintain its health for years. Sound quality is loud and clear, with stereo speakers enhanced by OSO audio technology, providing immersive audio whether you're gaming or watching your favorite movies. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, and the phone supports face unlock too. Nokia has also focused on durability and sustainability this time. The device comes with a recyclable box, biodegradable case, and is part of Nokia's "Love It, Trust It, Keep It" program, emphasizing long-term reliability rather than constant upgrades. Overall, the Nokia X20 5G 2026 is a phone that combines power, performance, and practicality. It's designed for people who want a long-lasting device with a balance of performance and premium aesthetics. It's not trying to be the flashiest smartphone, instead, it's built for real people who need reliability, clean software, and excellent camera performance with 5G speed. So,